Oh, my beautiful sparkles, how are you? I just remembered to, actually, I just remembered I forgot to bring bug spray. But stay away from the grass for now. And, just wanted to share this with you. Isn't it pretty? Alright, let's keep walking. See the water. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. It's really warm out. I left my water. Boy. Let's see. Let's see if we find some deer. How's your day? Some time to enjoy the summer before it's over. Here. This is a nice little overview. I hope you can hear me well. Look at the, see how far I can zoom in. This really zooms in. Okay, that's as far as it goes. Do you find it peaceful to watch this? I love the ripples in the water. Interesting how that works, huh? It looks like an art design. All right, let's zoom out. I saw a bug flying. Do you want to look for some bugs with me? Let's search for bugs. I don't see any at the moment. Let's keep walking. So what have you done today? Did you have anything to drink? Maybe some homemade orange juice or water with electrolytes. Let's see what's over here. Oh, I can't see much. Let's go back there. Boy, I should go back and get some